welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make keto lasagna. I'm so excited, you guys. When I say this is like legit one of my favorite recipes to make while I'm on keto, and I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. So you guys already know I'm always in gym wear every time you see me, and I'm currently wearing my Kim Kardashian Skims waist trainer. I will have a review on this waist trainer on my channel coming soon, so if you're not subscribed to your girl, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's get with the video. So one of the first steps, of course, is cooking our ground beef and season it to perfection. Then we're going to make our ricotta cheese mix, basically for the lasagna. So I'm just going to take half of this ricotta cheese and put it in my mixing bowl. Then we're going to add some parsley. I'm going to use my everything seasoned bagel. This is like one of my favorite seasons, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just spicing everything up. And then last, some Parmesan cheese. You don't have to make this ricotta cheese mix. I just do it to add more flavor to my lasagna. You can just simply just take the ricotta cheese out and do your lasagna that way. So this is just me being extra, but trust me, this step is needed. Then we're going to first put in our meat in our pan. I like to start with my meat first, of course. Like most people probably put noodles first. I'm not sure how most people do their lasagna. Everybody do lasagna different, but it's basically the same step. So I do my meat first. Then I will add my ricotta cheese mix on top. Again, we're making pastaless lasagna, you guys. So I'm using this pastrami deli meat. You don't have to use pastrami deli meat. It's just one of my favorite meats to eat right now. So you can use chicken, you can use turkey, you can use ham, whatever floats your boat, whatever your preference is. But I'm just using it to basically divide where you will put the lasagna pasta. I'm just replacing that with the meat. So while I was making my lasagna, I realized I was running out of meat, so I only did one layer. And so while me doing one layer, I added mozzarella cheese on top, a lot of mozzarella cheese. Did I say I love cheese, you guys? Dairy is like my weakness, oh my God. but a lot of mozzarella cheese. And then I'm going to sprinkle some more Parmesan cheese on top, and then add some parsley just to, you know, make it look like a real lasagna. You know, even though it is lasagna, it's basically keto lasagna, you guys. You already know. You guys know. Now I had the lasagna in the oven for probably 30 minutes, and this is the result. It looks so good. It's golden brown on top. Oh my god, you guys, I wish you can smell this lasagna through the camera. This is like one of my best keto lasagna. I have 2 keto lasagna recipes, so this is one of them. And then my next video, I will show you guys another keto recipe that I also have. But I'm just going to cut this beautiful lasagna. Oh my god, it's so good, you guys. Just the best part, a lasagna with nothing but meat and cheese. Just beautiful. This, oh my god. You know it smells so good, I couldn't just help to take a bite. Just look at me. Just being fat and greedy. Just look at that, you guys. Tell me that don't look good. Alright, you guys, so this lasagna came out bomb AF. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time.